M, B3. One of them goes up to 2 right now. We don't know which one is it. Elevator north. I don't know which one is it. Maybe that. That one left down already. Yes, here it is, this one. Oh, it's going down. Go bottom floor. Better not stop at M, because you guys came on from M. Kidding me!
A Nintendo eShop card. There's a Nintendo eShop card you can get from the store if you want to do that. Cause I think it comes in $50. Oh, sorry. This is us.
No, we peaked right.
We've lost our cards. You think you could drive us around a
I
little
think
bit?
it's. Wait, Dad. What kind of company is the card? Is it Mastercard? Is it Visa? Is it what kind of?
Amex.
What company is it?
Have a good day. Copy right now, as this elevator is going to be very extremely busy. Two.
Elevator is going on.
Look at this. Cabinets. Boost.
Parking 4. Elevator
M?
going up.
Got it already. Shut that door, please.
Parking 2.
Stopping again.
Elevator is going up. Parking 1.
Are you kidding me? Stopping again.
Elevator is going up.
Shut that door, please.
Mezzanine.
And hide us one in this floor.
Elevator is going up.
This one's going up. It's going up. I'm shutting this freaking door, man. I'm only taking one. Unfortunately, this team's now busier than before.
Floor 2.
Watch the button. Got to load it.